welcome to the birthday gift. This message is for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. This is a timeless read, so it's for you whenever you reach it, okay? Please give me a message for Aries. Okay. Four of Cups is here. I'm gonna lay a few more cards. You have an opportunity here. Okay, Ace of Pentacles, to basically start from scratch. I'm gonna say start from scratch because that's what some of you need to do. But build, it's like rebuild, honestly. A strong foundation. That way, moving forward, the worries you've had, you don't have to have them anymore. And you know what? This could actually be concerning a person. Even this person, they're going to have to come in a new way as well. Page of Cups here. Water sign energy. I'm going to keep going. Yeah. You and somebody. There's an opportunity. Hopefully you don't miss this opportunity, okay? There's an opportunity to rebuild a relationship, Aries. From scratch, everybody has to come in different. You and this person, because there's a strong connection here. So the two of you, it's like you're meant to be. I see a very strong pull towards each other. I'm also seeing, I don't feel like right now things are at its best. I'm getting this, like, nonchalant. Almost like you're getting over it in a sense here. Like, whatever you all are going through, it's like you're over it. I mean, you still feel the strong connection, but it's like it's getting like too repetitive. But there's an opportunity to fix this, restructure, and this time make it stronger. Okay, so let me keep going. Queen of Swords, somebody. There's like some kind of exchange here in communication. It could have been very ruthless. Somebody could have said something here that really touched the other one the wrong way. I'm getting Queen of Swords energy. Air energy is here. So that's Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I feel like somebody was very sharp with their words. Let me keep going. High Priestess is here. Now I'm getting a whole different narrative and then Judgment. Pay attention to your intuition. You're getting certain messages. They're wanting you to pay attention to them, Aries. They're sending you certain messages, okay? And they're trying to get you to pay attention to them here. Because whatever it is trying to move the two of you away from whatever this cycle is. High Priestess. All right, whatever it is, it's being hidden. I mean, we got cards going back. See, there can be a happy ending here. Nine of Cups. It went back in, so I'm going to put it back. But wish fulfillment can definitely be reached, okay? Oof. Five of Pentacles. somebody is feeling kind of like, again, I'm getting this. It's not everything that you want. Okay, it's just some of you feel like you're being shorthanded in a sense here with whatever this person is giving. You know, they're not giving everything, like they're not giving their all. Someone feels like there's something missing. Okay, it's like I'm feeling like there's something either you don't see, something you're ignoring. There's some kind of secrets here, something someone's not saying. It's like someone's trying to hide their feelings. And then judgment is here. And again, I'm going to restate it. They're trying to send you something, information. They're trying to show you something. Judgment. Ooh, your communication. Y'all need to fix your communication. How you communicate. Here, 8 of Wands. There's a break in that. It's like, I feel like one doesn't like how the other communicates or how they feel during communication. Like, Queen of Swords. Why is Queen of Swords here? Yep. We have the Devil. You all are either not getting through to each other, or the way you deal with one another, it's ineffective. Somebody's not getting through to the other here. Okay, this is the Capricorn card. You could be dealing with a Capricorn. I'm going to keep going, but the Devil is here, y'all. Page of Pentacles, again, they're giving you an opportunity to restart, rebuild, another page. Things, both of you have to come in a different way. We get an earth energy here, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, but this has been given to you all. Your connection, this Two of Cups connection, this pentacle has been given to you, each of you. They want you to pick it up. Understand you got something real in your hand, okay? The potential here is very great. They're wanting you to just show up in a different way. You all have to change the way you're doing things. The way the two of you communicate, you gotta take a look at that. Okay, Three of Wands is here. Somebody wants more. Someone's waiting for this to go further. It's like waiting, wanting more. It's like, this is not what I signed up for. There's more here. The potential here is greater than what's already been presented thus far. It's almost like the two of you have not even reached the pinnacles of what this connection can grow into. Aries, Two of Cups. Tell me more. Why is the Two of Cups here? Yeah, again, some of you, or one of you rather, or both of you, there's like things not being said, emotions, feelings being hidden. Someone's not telling you how they truly feel about you. Okay, that's what I'm getting. See? Wow. I picked it up in reverse, but I'm going to turn it around because I feel like it may have felt upright. But look who's here. You all, this is a connection that's actually been brought together. Queen of Swords is here twice. Two of Cups is here twice. You all, you're actually pulled together for a reason. Each of you have something to teach the other. Somebody, the way you communicate. And this can just be the perception of the other person. they may not be used to they may not be used to someone like you, like the way you are. Okay, Pisces is also here. But this is, it's like both of you feel this way. I feel like both of you, you're mirroring each other. What you're giving out and what you see, the same thing you're feeling about them is the same way they feel about you. There's a mirror here. So if you feel like the way they communicate is just not right, and you know, whatever you feel, they feel it too. There's a mirror. You drew each other in to go through this lesson. I'm going to keep going, because I think that if you're listening to this message and it resonates, I feel like the hardest part is admitting that there's space for you to change and grow. Because it's almost like none of you are backing down here. Nobody's backing down. You know, it's like, I'm right. No, I'm right. It's like, none of you are right. None of you are wrong. It's not about that. There's things you guys don't see about what's happening here. You know, both of y'all need to cut it out. That's why this is here. Both of y'all need to cut it out. Because y'all not, I don't know. It's like you're creating an issue that's not really an issue, you know? It's not actually an issue. Sometimes it's just the way it's being perceived as an issue. But they're trying to get y'all to do it in a new way, a different way, okay? As you do this, this is a part of your growth. It's recognizing your unhealthy patterns, your unhealthy, the way you do things that are really not effective. Let's just say that, versus unhealthy, okay? 7 of Cups. Yeah, there's a lot of confusion. Some of you may be in separation from this person. Don't know what to expect here. 7 of Cups is here. Wow. Somebody's stressed out here. Somebody's stressed here. And somebody's ready to throw in the towel too. 9 of Wands. Why is the 9 of Wands here? Yeah, look. Oh, wow. Yeah, some of you are dealing with water sign. The Page of Cups is here again. But so is the King of Cups. Okay, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Showing up. They're stressed out. I kind of feel like this is, this will actually get to where it's supposed to go. I feel like the growth has to happen in steps. There's another card here. I'm going to turn it over. It's just, this can go all the way from the Page to the King. It's just that, yeah, I feel some frustration here. I'm feeling some frustration. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Y'all need to get this way, because luck is on your side. So you're basically being supported. This connection it's a part of your destiny. It's like the two of you are destined to be together. The Wheel of Fortune is here. It's in reverse to show that there's a cycle. It's near completion, but y'all need to realize something first. Once each of you understand the role you're playing and the way things are happening, you get back on track. Right now, y'all are off track here. It's in reverse. And it's like divine intervention. Almost like I'm hearing if someone has to jump in to get things back on track, that will happen. Because somebody is stressing here. Somebody's stressing. They look like they're ready to give up here. 7 of Cups. I'm going to clarify that. Somebody's confused. May want some clarity. What is this? Huh. They want to offer their cup. I mean, somebody's wanting to start all over again. They want to redo it. You could be dealing with somebody who may want to, like, they may want to reach out. They want to offer this cup. It's overflowing. They want to offer it. They may feel like you may not take it. You know, 4 of Cups is here. They may feel like you may not take it. You know, there's some fears surrounding this here. Fears of rejection as well. Being left out in the cold. Walking away and just leaving this person crippled. But they're full of cups that they want to offer. They're full of cups. Almost every depiction they have a cup in their hand. Somebody wants to make this offer. They are full of cups. Yeah, to me, I mean, it doesn't have to be, but definitely water sign energy is here. I mean, even the 7 of Cups, 2 of Cups is here. It's just, there's the opportunity. The opportunity to start all over, it's here. Okay, I'm going to lay 2 more cards. It's just, it has to be done differently. It has to be done in a different way, though. If things are still the same, it's not going to, like, it's just not going to change, okay? Yep, another ace. This is your 3rd ace. They're trying to get things on track. They're wanting you to be a little bit more, y'all going to have to change how y'all doing things. Look at this. Ace of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Cups. These are gifts from the universe, so this connection is supported. I mean, this is here twice. This is a connection that has the universe's support. So aces are gifts from the universe. They're trying to get this back. There's a lot of passion here as well. I feel a strong physical attraction between the 2 of you. Again, you're drawn to one another. Okay, so let's see what we end up with here. Strength. Somebody's gonna have to humble themselves here. Let go of pride and ego here. We're having somebody, I don't know, I'm feeling like someone they won't back down. This could be both of you. It's like, I need to be the one with the last word. I need to be the stronger one. You know, this is Leo energy in your face. Like, what I say is going to be heard. It's going to be the last word here. Okay, that devil energy is here. Strength. Why is strength here? Why is strength here? Okay. We got the Empress popping in, making an appearance. All right, now. There's something here for you, okay? It's really about... Tell me more. Why is Empress here? Look at that. There's a conflict here. Somebody needs to be strong. Is there anything else here? I'm gonna, now we have the king. The conflict that you're dealing with, or that's occurring here in this connection, is to really bring out that side in the other person. Both of you seem to not be backing down. It's like both of you have your swords up. Both of you, y'all are mirroring each other. Y'all are literally the same. Whatever your complaints are, they have it about you. So just know that. But I'm getting something here. It's like, the Empress here is trying to be strong, but dealing with some inner conflict here. The Empress's strength is being tested because I don't know if you were ready for that, because there's some conflict here. Y'all are dealing with some conflict. It's around how you talk to each other, or how things are being said, or how people receive the information being said. Just watch your communication here. Okay, I'm gonna clarify the Ace of Wands here, because I feel like you're gonna have to start brand new, clean slate. Okay? And somebody wants to do that. Somebody wants to do that to get this wheel turning in the right way. Ace of Wands. Why is Ace of Wands here? Why is... Yeah. To get things where they need to be. So somebody definitely is sitting on a high horse. This can work out. So you can end in a victory. But somebody's going to have to come down off this horse, off this pedestal that they put themselves on. Okay, it could be you, Empress. It could be you. It could be you. Masculine energy. Somebody needs to get off this high horse. Okay, there's another card here. Woo. Look who it is. Come down. Come down. Come down. You tried to jump from a page to a king. Apparently you still got work to do. Okay, they telling you you're a knight. There are steps to this process, okay? You want to reach that victory? Don't try to skip through the process here, okay? You go from the page to the knight, then you go to the king. So somebody here, they skipped a step. Certain things didn't realize here. This could be you, Aries. This could be the person you're dealing with. But it looks like something was missing, so they need to start brand new again. The first time they hoodwinked you, Aries. Okay? They came in with that offer, sweet talking you. Right? And Aries was in love. Like, oh yeah. That's my boo. Well, this is where they was. But guess what you did? You put them at this status here. So you kind of disappointed yourself, because the bond, which was a real bond, it was strong. It was strong. Double Two of Cups. So you thought that you can skip a step and elevate it, but no. We have a knight here. So somebody you need to take them off that pedestal you put them on. Bring it down a notch. Some of you guys have a lot to do with why this person is so egotistical or is so prideful here. There's a lot of pride here. A lot. Somebody's going to have to humble themselves. So that's going to get the wheel turning, okay? That's going to get the wheel turning. I'm going to extend on this, see what else comes up. I'm also, I have to say this, some of you are entertaining a whole different option. Okay, because this can actually be two separate people. For some of y'all, it's the same person who can come in and you can renew things in a different way. This is the same person. It's just this cup that they are offering. It has to be offered in a different manner, in a different way. Okay, things need to be a little more clear and concise and direct. But some of y'all, you created I guess you created a monster. This person pretty high up on this horse. You could have made them feel. You made them feel like they were up there. So now you're gonna have to bring them down a notch. This person could have been taking advantage. I mean, I'm getting several different pings here. So there is some conflict here that needs to be straightened out. Both of you had this sword. So some of y'all, it's like y'all come ready to fight. Put the swords down, have a conversation, because there are things that need to be said. I'm gonna extend this. Please give me a message for Aries. Health. We have health here. This is a regular. Right now, we got a card that fell. Right now, they're saying you may want to check what you're putting in your body. That's affecting your overall state here. Your health is important. And it's relative. Okay? The food you consume. Pay attention to that. You know, processed food, those things you may want to change to an alkaline diet. Help you think more clearly. It'll just put you in a whole, like your overall mood will be different. Let me grab this card here. Physical activity. Yeah. They're wanting you to be more active, Aries. Y'all are getting a message about just changing your lifestyle. It's all relative. It's all relative. All right, I'm gonna jump into the extended here. I kind of wanted to pull some romance angel. I'll do that on the extended, Aries. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Why is Eight of Swords here? Ah, look who's here again. My goodness. Same position. I'm very interested to see what that is that just flew over there. Ah, same position again. It's in reverse again.